Hello YouTube, welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. Sitting out on the bike in the driveway, took it out here, was going to start it up and run it a little bit today. But before I do all of that, I want to reveal to you what two-up seat I decided to put on my 2019 Harley Davidson Iron1200 Sportster. So it came down to two choices for me: the Saddlemen Step Up Seat for the Harley Davidson Sportster, or the Drag Specialties Predator Seat in black flame for the Harley Davidson Iron1200 Sportster. So I did a poll on YouTube, and hands down, the Saddlemen Step Up Seat took the win there. Everybody said that that's the seat I should go with because it's so comfortable. So I came down to three things to me I was looking at. Number one was comfort, okay? So you got to be comfortable. I found the single seat that came on this bike very comfortable. I never had a real problem with it. My butt was never sore. So I was fine with that. But everybody said the Saddlemen Step Up Seat for Harley Sportsters is hands down the most comfortable seat out there. I mean, everybody says the same thing. I couldn't find a bad review about it for comfort. The Drag Specialties Predator Seat, I looked around, I saw good things. People said it was comfortable, it was great. Not as many as the Saddlemen Step Up, okay? So price, the Saddlemen on Revzilla is $449. The Predator seat is $341.95 on Revzilla. So it's about $100 difference. And then the final thing is looks, all right? I definitely, personally, I think the Drag Specialties seat looks nicer. It doesn't have as big of a bump up, and the two-up portion isn't as high. It kind of flows nice looking on the bike. But the Saddlemen Step Up still looks good too. But as far as looks go, you know, the Predator, I kind of liked it better. So now I had to say to myself, price, looks, comfort, you know. What's the most important thing? Well, I made my decision, and I am going to show you guys right now, and I'll show you how much snow is in my yard, and this sucks. All right, so here it is, my big reveal. I went with the Drag Specialties Predator Seat in black flame, and I love it. I think it's smooth. I think it flows with the bike nice, and hopefully it's comfortable. I don't think it's going to be as comfortable as that Saddlemen Step Up that everybody says, but I do think it's going to be a comfortable seat, and I definitely like the way it looks. I think it looks really cool. I will have a full review once I can get out and start doing some riding. As you all know, I have new progressive shocks on here. Also, I have progressive fork springs in there I put in. I have the Del Rio Sport Shield I put on. So I'm looking to a little bit warmer weather, and I am going to take this baby out and do a really good ride, a really good review of everything I've done. So if you have any questions, you let me know, and I will try to get back to you in the comments. You know, leave any comments you want. But I probably won't be getting out to do this review till mid-March at this point. If you look around, tons of snow, 20 degrees. Even if the snow melts, they put so much stuff on the roads that I don't want to ride the bike in it. I didn't even want to really take it out and put it in the driveway here today, but I'm tired of showing it in my garage with all my junk, so got it out here. Oh, look at that. I can't wait to go riding on this thing with the new sissy bar, the luggage rack. Go check out all the videos I did for these installs. I love this bike. So got a lot of cool stuff coming up. I'm gonna be putting a new battery in the bike. The stock battery just does not cut it. I'm going to be putting on some LED indicators too, so I'll have a video of that coming up. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this little reveal. All right, and I want to say thank you for everybody for watching my videos, supporting my channel. As always, I really appreciate it. And until next time, this is Carl saying laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe.